that. This one, the painful one over here.
This thing contracts your muscles and it hurts like a bitch. I didn't say start yet. Put it back. They need to see my toe go. Okay. He has the controller. Because he's a faggot.
Sure.
I didn't put the camera on my foot yet, you fucked it. I am not doing that to my toes. It hurts really bad!
They're both on.
I can tell!
Your toes are not supposed to do that.
I know!
Stop forcing it.
I'm not!
Oh shit, they're contracting two different ways. Alright, let's release this one.
Okay, you can turn that off now. I'll put it somewhere else. Okay. Is there a pause button?